These are the elevators here at the Caesars Palace Garage in Las Vegas, Nevada. These are Dover elevators. Ooh, look at these cabs. Oh, what the heck? Ooh, these are the really nice buttons. Dovers. Rip the fire service light. Look at all that blue. I like these buttons. God damn it.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Go ahead, you go. Still have all the original Dover door, hoistway equipment. You can hear it. All those limit switches. Yep, listen to that. Just a slap on. It's still got the Dover floor passing chime too. These are Adams. I don't think. Yeah, those are original right there.
70s?
Yeah.